Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today's video is so exciting. I'm going to be trying the new and improved Revair Reverse Hair Dryer. Here's the original, very big, very heavy. So they decided to improve it and make it just as good, but in a smaller, more comfortable and lighter weight version. So let's get right into it. Ooh, this is definitely smaller. Wow. So here's the old one. It's pretty big. And then this is the new one. So here's the wand of the new one, and this is the old one. It's almost like the same size, really. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on. You gotta turn it on here and then also on the base. Okay, that's the first heat setting. It's in the 5th heat setting. Let's try the 5th heat setting. Okay, let's go for it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, so fun. So you just leave it there for like 2 minutes. It's gonna dry your hair. You're not supposed to do this, which some people do, but if you want to just check and peek to see if it's drying your hair, it is drying my hair, so you can definitely do that, but I'm just gonna leave it there for like 2 minutes straight. Okay, let's see. Whoa, wait. Oh my god, it dried my hair. It dried my hair. I have very curly hair. Wow, and it's so soft. I might put it up to the 7th heat setting because you guys already know how I am. But yeah, this is nice. Very, very nice. It did take the whole section and it dried the whole section. And it was a big section. The only thing is that obviously, you know, the ends are not like how I like them to be. But if you're able to dry most of your hair and then just shape the ends if you want with like another hair tool, maybe even the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer, like something that is going to give you a nice bounce at the ends, but not use that hair tool to dry all your hair because it might be damaging. I would use the Drybar half shot right here. I'm gonna put a video just to shape the ends and not dry all my hair with it. Like if I decide to dry all my hair with this and then just shape the ends with the Drybar double shot, like that would be cool. I'm gonna do another section on this side in the 7th heat setting, and this side of my hair is a lot curlier. I will say in the 7th heat setting you do feel it a little bit hotter on your scalp, but it's not bad at all. Like, it's not bad. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, so it's very straight, but surprisingly it looks a little bit less done than this side. It could be because this side is way curlier than this side. I'm gonna do this section now, and I'm gonna do 4 minutes in total, and let's see how it looks. Wow, it just sucks everything in. It's crazy. This is like something else. This is super cool. The only thing is that just like with the old one, my arms do get a little bit tired. I can't even imagine back here how tired I'm gonna be. Yeah, I mean, it is dry. It's completely dry. So I think 3 minutes is enough. Even 2 might be enough. But I just wanted to see if with more time it would get more smooth. But honestly, like, it's not bad at all. But anyways, guys, I am going to do all my hair, and I'll be back with the final look and my thoughts. Alright guys, I'm done doing all my hair. I definitely did sweat a little bit. It still gets hot even though you're not doing much, but you can just kind of feel the heat. Even from here, you can feel the heat coming out So yeah, it definitely gets a little bit hot. But yeah, this is the final look. I actually really like it. It's not like my go-to blowout look because the ends are just very straight and they don't have a lot of shape to them, but I do like how the hair tool dried all my hair, and I think it's a very nice first step, especially if you have even more curly hair than me. I think this would be a very nice first step for you to dry all your hair, get it pretty sleek, and then if you want to go in with the straightener, it'll just be a healthier way for you to straighten your hair if you want to just dry most of your hair with this. And then if you need a straightener, go in with the straightener or a blow dryer brush, like a round brush, maybe like the Drybar half shot, just to give your hair a little bit of shape. But I think this is pretty good, and it doesn't really pull my hair. It felt very gentle on my hair. My hair is pretty dry and straight. Like I said, I just need a little bit more bounce, but it is very nice and dry and straight. So it did straighten my hair. So I am very impressed with this hair tool. The original is nice as well, so if you have the original, you should be good. But if you want to upgrade and get this one, totally recommend it. It is a lot lighter, but I still feel like the wand itself is very heavy. It's probably like just as heavy as the old one, if I'm being honest. So I kind of thought that this would be a little bit lighter, but it still feels pretty heavy, especially back here. My arms were getting so tired, and I wouldn't really recommend this for traveling. I mean, this is something that you just use when you're at home. It's too heavy to take with you anywhere, really. So those are a couple things that I didn't love about this hair tool, but overall, like, it dried my hair very quickly too. It only took me about 3 minutes per section to dry each section. So I dried my hair very quickly, and it looks super straight. If I wanted to touch it up with a straightener, a blow dryer brush, or like a curling iron just to get some curls or bounce, that would work as well. But yeah, this is a nice first step in my opinion. And I feel like over time your hair won't get as damaged if you use this as compared to maybe using a straightener straight on curly hair. Like, that is a lot of like extreme heat on your hair. So yeah, I'm actually impressed with this one, very impressed, and I think I would use it again. I would just use maybe a blow dryer brush to touch up my hair, but overall super nice. If you guys want to see a video of me maybe using this and then touching it up, like doing that extra step and how I would do it, let me know in the comments below. I can totally do that. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.